Note that the contents inside the box for this video may be packaged differently from the final design. To unbox your new eFTR Hooligan, follow these steps. Begin by cutting the yellow bands surrounding the box. Next, remove the 4 plastic tabs at the bottom of the box by pulling out the entire D-ring tab. Then, lift the top lid of the box completely off the bike and bottom portion. Next, locate the charger and assembly toolkit and set aside. Then, remove the battery box from the packaging. Next, support the bike and open the cardboard tabs on the front lower portion of the box to lay the tire insert down. Then, roll the bike out of the box and engage the side stand to prepare the bike for assembly. After removing the bike from the box, take inventory of the contents inside and verify items are not missing. Reference the owner's manual for the list of contents. Your bike is equipped with a toolkit that includes a 9mm and 10mm dual open-end wrench, 13mm and 15mm dual open-end wrench, 5mm Allen wrench, and spare accessory fasteners. Then, charge the battery before first use. Begin by plugging the charger into a wall outlet. Next, open the charger tab on the side of the battery. Then align the arrow on the charger with the alignment mark on the battery. Continue by inserting the charger and turn the battery on to allow the battery to fully charge. When fully charged, the indicator light on the charger should turn green and the battery will turn off. This can take between 6 to 8 hours for the first charge. If charging the battery on the bike, the display will provide the state of charge percentage. Once fully charged, ensure the battery is turned off and remove the charger. Then, reinstall the battery charging port cover and ensure it's fully seated. Continue by unplugging the charger from the wall outlet. Next, move to the handlebar clamp and remove the 4 fasteners from the clamp. Then, remove all foam on top of the handlebar area. Continue by supporting the handlebar and removing the panduit straps, ensuring not to put stress on the attached cables. Next, ensure the cables are not twisted and place the lower crossbar of the handlebar into the groove of the handlebar clamp. Then, loosely cross-tighten the handlebar clamp to temporarily keep the handlebar in place. Continue by removing all remaining foam and plastic wrap from the bike. Next, secure the front and rear accessory plugs to ensure they do not rub on other components or pinch. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.